Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You're here with me, Sinead, aka Siinciity, and in today's video I'm going to be introducing you to my very own niche lifestyle brand, SNW Loves. So, what is SNW Loves, I hear you ask? SNW Loves is a female smoking and accessory lifestyle brand with a twist, as majority of our products, including our glassware and grinders, are hand designed using Swarovski crystals. With that being said, it'd be fun to create different makeup looks inspired by a few of my favourite SNW Love products. I hope you like. Let's hop right in. Hey guys, so you know the deal. I've got my brows on and my eyelids are already prepped with concealer. So that purple shade that I've just gone into is Purplish from the 35B MORPHE palette. And initially I went in using a defining brush to carve out my crease and my outer V. Because this shade is quite a dark shade, you need to make sure that blending is done like really well, because you will notice any harsh lines if left not fully blended out. So I ended up switching over brushes after I had got that initial line down to blend it out more with an actual blending brush. I'm going to bring you guys in just because I feel like you're a little bit too far away so you can kind of see everything that's happening. But yeah, so as you can see, that harsh line that was originally there is now all blended out because I'm using a different brush. So after laying down that purple and having that all blended out, I then realised that the look felt kind of dark and I wanted to brighten it up a little bit. So I went in with a lighter purple, which was the purple just above the initial purple that we used, and it was called Lavender, and applied that all along my crease line. But I really wanted my outer V to remain dark and along my waterline, so I went back in with that purplish dark purple colour that we originally used and added that just on the outer corner. So this pinky purpley shimmer shade here is called Poke. I used a flat concealer type brush to apply it to my eyelids, making sure that I applied it in the inner and the centre of my eyes and then connecting it to the outer corner, but still making sure that the dark purplish shade that we had used on the outer V wasn't getting covered up and still the work was there. I applied eyeliner off camera just because, girl, it was easier that way, but a really thin line of eyeliner across my eye, and then all the fun work started with applying the gems. So I first applied the gems just on the outside, as you can see, of where the eyeliner met, and then we're going to start placing them in our inner corner and around our eyebrows. It was this moment right here where I realised that the gems on my face and the symmetry of them was just way off. So I got the back of the tweezers and just started moving it slightly. You have a really small window where you can do that, just because otherwise if you leave it too long it won't budge, or it will leave like a really horrible gluey cast. So I just basically got to moving that and then went straight into my lashes. So off camera I completed all my complexion work, and now I came back just to do the blush and finish off the rest of the eyes and lips. So I went into the e.l.f. palette and did a little bit of a combination of two colours and applied them to my cheeks. I always tend to go in and apply a lot more than's needed because I always go in with a second brush, which is kind of like my general face brush, and blend that all out. So to finish the eyes off, I just wanted to add that lavender and that purplish shade to the lower lash line. So I grabbed just a small blending brush and then applied it to the outer corner of my lower lash line and just underneath that eyeliner line as well. Because I had gone over the eyeliner line and it had gone a little bit like faded, I just wanted to brighten that up, so went back in and just applied it on top. I wanted to keep my lips really neutral, so I used the Cork lip liner pencil from MAC Cosmetics to outline my lips, and then I went in with the Fenty Gloss Bomb lip gloss in the shade Sweet Mouth. This shade's like a pinky iridescent shade, so when you apply it to anything it just kind of makes it and gives it this whole really nice juicy vibe, and it basically started making the pencil colour come out even more, and I love that nudie shade that it gave me. I then applied the Kilowatt highlighter in the Mean Money Hustler Baby along my high points of my face and on my nose and on my cupid's bow, and then my guys, the look is pretty much finished. So we're all finished with today's purple SNW Loves makeup inspired look. I really like how it came out. I'm a sucker for purple, I can't lie. Like my nails are purple, like I even changed into like a purple like maxi dress that I have just to help complement the purple eye look that we've got going on. I feel like this eye look looks really good. I think it's quite simplistic. I do know that I have done a purple makeup look on my channel before, so before y'all come in my comments saying, girl, that looks the exact same as what you did for Euphoria like how many months back, it isn't. Like I tried to make sure that it wasn't as similar because I really did want to do a purple SNW Loves inspired product, because purple was featured within the collection so much that I really wanted to make sure that I did do a look to incorporate it. But I feel like I tried to make this look and the one that I did previously very different. This one I would describe as more of as like a kind of like Pixie kind of fairy purple-esque look, just because of the colours that we use. I'll make sure that I list everything in the description box below so you guys can see all the shades that I use. And yeah, I really like it, so I just wanted to keep the gems really simplistic because I feel like I liked how the colours came out. So I hope that you enjoyed this look. Thumbs up if you haven't yet already, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and make sure that you turn it into a bell so that every time I upload you'll be notified, never miss a beat. And for all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for joining me again. Look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.